Hello, welcome everybody back to my channel. The name is Donatien Jiranga here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for the student loan debt relief step by step. The deadline is December 31st, 2023. So if you haven't applied for this student debt relief yet, then please do it right now. Don't waste no more time and do it as soon as possible. President Biden said 22 million people have already applied for this student loan relief forgiveness. So you need to do your part as well to be able to have this debt taken off your burden so that you don't have to end up carrying a high student loan debt at the end of the day. The little 10 or 20,000 taken off the amount of principal is better than nothing. So let's get to the computer and I'll show you step by step how to apply for this. Okay, let's do this. All right, so once you enter studentaid.gov on the website, this is what it looks like, the application. Of course, it says application is open but debt discharge is paused, so they still encourage people to apply. So if you're ready to apply, apply. I'm gonna scroll down so that you can see how the entire application look like. It's very easy and simple. Okay, so for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use my name as an example, but you have to use your real name in order to do this. And for Social Security, I'm going to use fake numbers, but you have to enter your real Social Security number to finalize the application. Once you enter your Social Security, you have to confirm by entering it again. Again, I'm entering fake numbers just for demonstration to show people how to apply for this. And then you enter your date of birth. But again, I'm entering fake numbers for demonstration. Then you have to enter your real phone number. I'm entering fake number again for demonstration purposes. Then you can enter your email address, your real email address. In this case, I'm going to enter johnsmith@gmail.com. And then you just copy it and confirm it below here. And then you just gotta read this to understand before you submitting. By signing this form, you agree with the following statements. So you just have to read it on your own to understand why you're signing this. And then this bottom portion, again, you enter your name again. This part here, it's more like a signature. And then once you read and understand everything, you check this box that I certify under penalty of perjury under the laws of the United States of America. And then you read the rest to understand. And once you're ready, you just click this submit button, and then you are all done with the student loan application, and they will send you a confirmation via your email. So you see, right, the application is very easy to do, less time consuming. They said it's gonna take about 5 minutes to do, but it really way less than that. If you really know what you're doing, it will literally take you like 30 seconds to do. Then you just submit, boom, done. But if you want to take extra time to make sure you submit everything correct, then maybe it will take you about a minute or so. So don't drag this around. So take 5 minutes out of your day and complete this application and get out of the way, because it's something that is going to save you money down the line and you will be able to thank your pocket. So don't sleep on it. Okay? And if you enjoyed this video, please take the time to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more so that you can see upcoming new videos that I'll be uploading here on this channel. And if you are new to my channel, you haven't seen any of my other videos, please take the time to visit my channel and watch other videos and interact about my other videos and leave me a comment in the description. And I'll submit the link to the student loan application underneath this video. So peace.